EcoComfort Plus is the single-room heat recovery unit designed by Fantini Cosmi to manage the indoor air exchange and improve the home comfort. The device is operated directly from the infrared remote control and responds to each setting via a multicolored LED. Let's take a look at the complete functions. Pressing the on-off button, the unit switches on with the last operating mode and speed set. Pressing the button again turns the unit off, and the LED flashes red 4 times. When the extraction button is pressed, the LED flashes red. The unit extracts air from the room for 60 minutes, then switches to automatic cycle mode. When the intake button is pressed, the LED flashes blue. The unit injects air into the room for 60 minutes, then switches to automatic cycle mode. When the automatic cycle button is pressed, the LED flashes red and blue alternately. The unit cyclically injects and extracts air from the room, automatically optimizing the cycle intervals and recovering heat. You can increase or decrease the ventilation speed by selecting the plus and minus buttons. One long flash indicates operation at minimum speed, or night speed. One short flash indicates operation at low speed. 2 short flashes indicate operation at medium speed. 3 short flashes indicate operation at high speed. The current operating mode and speed can be checked at any time by pressing the Info button. To further improve indoor air quality and ensure maximum comfort during operation in automatic cycle mode, sensors can be activated. With the relative humidity sensor active, if the value detected in the room is higher than the set threshold, the ventilation unit will activate the extraction mode at maximum speed for approximately 3 minutes. The LED confirms the setting by flashing turquoise. When the VOC air quality sensor is activated, the ventilation unit switches to extraction mode at maximum speed for about 3 minutes when it detects a level of volatile organic compounds in the room above the set threshold. The LED confirms the setting by flashing green. With the twilight brightness sensor active, the light level in the room is measured to allow an automatic reduction of the ventilation speed during dark hours, e.g. at night. The LED confirms the setting by flashing yellow. For more details on how to activate or deactivate the sensors, change their intervention threshold, and all functions of the EcoComfort Plus ventilation unit, please consult the instruction manual, also available online.